Before handling your Stoma products, wash your hands well with soap and water. You'll then need to make sure you have the following items: your base plate and pouch, a Stoma measuring guide, a clean washcloth, adhesive remover wipes or spray, barrier wipes or spray. Here, we are using a two-piece system with a mouldable base plate, a special pliable adhesive that can be rolled back to a custom opening, tailored to the size and shape of your individual Stoma. There are several components to the mouldable base plate we will review. It has a flexible collar, which provides an extra level of security and flexibility. Next, you'll see a plastic coupling ring, which is used to attach the pouch to the base plate. The coupling ring on the base plate should match the size of the coupling ring on the pouch. Finally, the circular opening in the center of the base plate is the starter hole. This is where you will begin the moulding process. Now, turn the base plate over. There is a clear cover backing over the adhesive center of the base plate with a blue tab for easy removal. You can also see a white release paper on the flexible collar. Both backings should remain on until you are ready to apply the base plate. Now carefully remove the system you're wearing. To remove the old adhesive, wipe an adhesive remover wipe at the edge of the base plate. Gently lift the base plate while wiping and pressing down on the skin as you lift. An adhesive remover spray may also be used. Wash the skin with water and pat dry. Next, apply the skin barrier wipe or spray to the skin around your Stoma and let it dry. Now you are ready to apply your new base plate and pouch.